Purchasing power is the amount of goods or services that one unit money can buy. For example, with $100 in hand, you could buy more groceries 2 decades ago than you can buy today. Because of inflation, purchasing power will decrease. To measure purchasing power, economists always look into the Consumer Price Index, which is the weighted average of prices of a basket of consumer goods and services. Basically, CPI reflects price changes related to the cost of living. Countries around the world came up with regulations and policies to protect their currency's purchasing power, which affects people's livelihood. Because when purchasing power falls due to hyperinflation, economic crisis can happen. To give an example, in 2008, Zimbabwe's inflation rate reached over 79.6 billion%, which means the prices double every day. The hyperinflation was caused by printing money in response to economic shocks. As more money chased fewer goods, consumers had huge loss of purchasing power. At the same time, a loaf of bread could cost more than 10 million Zimbabwe dollars. Apart from inflation and regulations, causes of purchasing power loss also include natural and man-made disasters, and causes of purchasing power gain include deflation and technological innovation. Do you want to protect your money's purchasing power? Make sure that your investments earn a rate of return greater than the rate of inflation, so that the value of your money and assets do not fall over time.